In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to search the TRIP database. We're going to start from the Nursing Subject Guide, and we're going to scroll down to the TRIP database. The reason we're accessing it from here is because we have access to all of McGill's full-text articles if we access it this way. You can also search TRIP via the public version of it, and in that case you would just Google TRIP database and it would take you right there. But then you would not have access to all of McGill resources. So here we are at the TRIP database. It's a pretty simple interface. The first thing you're going to see is one single search box. And you're going to search it using keywords the same way that you might search Google Scholar or Google. And you just have to use the main concepts from your search. So using the question that we've used for the rest of the module, I'm going to look to see if cranberry juice is effective for urinary tract infections. And you'll see what's interesting about this database is that it actually organizes the search results based on the evidence pyramid. Now, it's not an exact match to the 6S pyramid that we use in our module, but it's pretty close. So you'll see at the top in green, these are the evidence synthesis. This is the summary and a synthesis level. And so you'll find practice guidelines here. This is a really good resource if you're looking for practice guidelines, and you'll see that you'll see guidelines from different countries. You'll see systematic reviews, evidence-based synopsises. So this is really useful, this green area, for identifying high-level evidence. And if you go down, you'll see that you can also find individual studies. So controlled, and you can limit to controlled trials if it's a therapy question. So that's one of the very interesting and useful things about this database. And you'll see also in your results, it very clearly marks where what you found falls on the pyramid. Let's switch to Canada. Well, these are the practice guidelines from Canada. And you'll see that what association or society authored the guidelines. And then you can click on that and read the full guideline. It should open. Oh. Another option you have when searching the TRIP database is to use the PICO searching. Now, to be honest with you, I don't really see how useful this really is, because in my opinion, you're going to spend more time trying to figure out where your concept goes within the PICO than actually searching. And it won't actually make a difference in your search results. So you could put urinary tract infection here, and you could put cranberry here and search, but that's not really going to be all that different in terms of search results compared to what we had found before. So if this helps your brain, go for it. This is really the only database where you can do this type of searching. Go ahead and take advantage of it. But if you find that you're spending a lot of time trying to figure out how to fill it out and what to put here, then just stick to the regular search, put in your key concept, your keywords related to your key concepts, and take it from there. That'll probably be much more effective. So that's about it. It's a very simple resource to use. And if you want to read the full text, you just click on the title and it opens up the full text for you. It brings you to the place where you can read it. So there's not really much more to add to this tutorial. So I'll leave it at that and just remind you that if you ever need help searching, you can always reach out to me and ask for help.